Hey, everyone! Welcome to a thrilling world where you can become a music creator without needing any musical background. In just 3 minutes, I'll take you on a fascinating journey into AI music generation. Ready? Part 1, Introduction to AI Music Generation. Imagine crafting your unique music with just a few clicks. That's right. Artificial intelligence has made it possible. Today, I'll show you how you can use Tracksy AI, a free AI music generator, to create amazing tunes. Part 2, Using Tracksy AI. First, head over to Tracksy AI's website and sign up for a free account. It's a breeze, and you can use your email or Gmail. Once logged in, click Create Track. Here's where the magic begins. Select your desired genre or mood, from ambient to jazz, it's all there. Choose your music length, anything from 15 seconds to 3 minutes. Click Create My Track and watch as the AI composes a masterpiece just for you. Love it? Save it. Want something different? Click again to create a new track. Now, just hit the download button and your personalized AI music is all yours. Don't forget to include the proper attribution in your content description. Part 3, Making a Video with Canva. Now, let's make a video using Canva. Open Canva, click Video, select your video style, set it as background, and add your AI music. Add more videos if needed. Align everything, and once it's perfect, download it as an MP4. Easy and professional. Part 4, Free AI Music Generator Alternative 1. Lastly, Beatoven AI, great for long-form AI music. Sign up, click New Track, set your preferences, and download your track. The free plan offers up to 5 minutes of music. You can adjust volume, change instruments, and once satisfied, download your track. Isn't that incredible? With AI, the world of music creation is at your fingertips, and you don't need to be a professional musician to join the symphony. If this video has struck a chord with you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends.